Hello, hello, and welcome once again to the Academic Writing Amplified podcast. I'm your host, Kathy Mazak, and I am recording you what I'm going to call a mini series, like a series of tiny podcast episodes that are based on an email sequence that I've been sending to the subscribers to my newsletter that has gotten a really great response. So I thought it would be worth putting these out as audio messages on the main podcast feed. So that is why I am here with you today. So what you can expect from this little series is just very short episodes that are going to delve into some coaching work that I've been doing. So I'm in this coaching program where the coach told us whatever you need to be coached on the most is probably what your clients need to be coached on the most. Whatever you need to hear is probably what your audience needs to hear. So that inspired me to create some emails that are about my own coaching realizations and then trying to kind of make them relevant to you all as the audience of an academic writing podcast. So today's mini podcast is called Writing is Hard. Oh my goodness, because writing is hard. I'm on a coaching journey and I thought you might like to come along. I'm trying to up-level, to grow, to reach my full potential, my evolved Pokemon form. I'm trying to be the green ninja. I don't know if you all have watched with your children or without your children the Ninjago series, but the first couple of seasons, it was so good. And it was all about like who is the green ninja and how you evolve to like your most powerful form. So, and of course, if you're fans of Pokemon, you also understand this idea that Pokemon evolve to their kind of more powerful form. That's what I'm trying to do for myself right now. So, like, guess what? It's hard. It is hard. It takes time. It takes self-reflection. And it takes analysis of thoughts that I didn't know that I was thinking. So it means you have to kind of sift through your brain and find out those underlying thoughts and underlying narratives that are causing you to take actions and you didn't even realize that that's what was happening. And that process, let me tell you, is very, very uncomfortable. But it's also hard to stay where I am, not growing, not changing. It's hard to live with unrealized potential. Here's how this applies to your writing. Right now, you are overbooked and overwhelmed. You sit down to write and you forget what you were trying to say. You keep coming up against obstacles. It seems easier just to check your email. You might have thoughts like this. I'm so tired. I deserve a break. It isn't fair that I work so hard to do things for everyone else while my promotion relies on publications. If I were a man, or if I worked at an R1, or if I had a bigger grant, or whatever, just fill in the blank, I would have time to write and this wouldn't be so hard. It's hard to make the changes that you need to make in order to reach your full publication potential. You'd have to hold your boundaries, which would make some people mad. You'd have to learn new writing project management skills so that you can jump in and out of writing more fluidly. You'd have to reduce the number of obligations that you have, which might mean disappointing people. You'd have to tolerate the discomfort of solving hard writing problems. You'd have to meet your self-imposed deadlines. All of that is very, very hard. But so is not changing, not reaching your full potential, staying the same. That is also hard. So you have two choices. You can live without reaching your full potential, always wondering what might have happened if you overcame fear and tried for real. Remember, trying for real is hard. It's uncomfortable. Or you could do the hard thing in relentless pursuit of your own growth. Also hard and uncomfortable. What kind of hard will you choose?